We need to write the decimal as a fraction or mixed number in lowest terms. And so here's our decimal, 0.875. There's nothing in front of the decimal point, so this is just a regular fraction. It's not a mixed number. So whatever comes after the decimal point, that's your numerator. So 875 over. Now the denominator is the name of the last place that the decimal value ends in. So decimal point, after that comes the tenths place, and then the hundredths place, and then the thousandths place. So that means our denominator is 1,000. The other thing you can do to help yourself out is the denominator should have the same number of zeros as your decimal has decimal places. So there's 3 digits after the decimal point, there's 3 zeros in 1,000. Okay, now we need to reduce it. You could end up with some big numbers here, like these are, but in the denominator, it's always going to be 10 or 100 or 1,000. All of those end in zeros, so the only thing that you'll be able to divide into them is either 10, because it ends in a 0, or 5, or 2, because it's even. So that's all you'll have to check to see if one of those three will divide into the numerator. So, well, we might say, well, this one ends in 5, that ends in 0, so we could divide by 5. So 875 divided by 5 is 175, and 1,000 divided by 5 is 200. Well, we still end in a 5 and a 0, so we can keep dividing by 5. $175 divided by 5 is 35. 200 divided by 5 is 40. Well, we end in a 5 and a 0 again, so divide by 5 one more time here. So we get 7 over 8, and that is in lowest terms.